Howdy, howdy, howdy. Here's another banjo arrangement for another well-known bluegrass song, although it did start out that way. It was written by a guy named Bill Browning, and he was more of a rockabilly singer in the 1950s. And he recorded it, and somehow Jimmy Skinner, more of a country bluegrass singer, he heard it and he recorded it, and it went on from there, and a lot of people recorded it since, and according well, Seldom Scene, Larry Sparks, and a bunch of others, of course. And I've got this one in the key of C. So we've got two pickup notes. I'd rather be, that's the first note of the first full measure. Now, because this arrangement is in C, we are using the C course, the C position. I often put this finger on just like a full C formation on the fourth string, just out of habit, even though we don't use it that much. Some measures not at all, but I still have it there. And you'll notice me using a pinky if I have to go to a third fret, third string later on, just because it's the habit of forming a C7. And of course we have to fill in an F chord. You know the F, hopefully. And as far as the G, we don't use the full G chord at all. We use a G7, which means we play, it's called the flatted seventh, third fret, fourth string. It's a G7. And other than that, I have no slides, no hammer-ons, no pull-offs in this arrangement. So again, it's all notes like some of my earlier arrangement lessons. So you can concentrate on just bringing out the melody. On the tab, which I'll post in a minute, I've got the words of the song, as if you're singing it, above the tab notes. So it kind of helps you keep things in line. Sometimes you hear all these notes going on and you go, when you're learning, where's the melody note? So this kind of helps you. If you know, listen to the song, the Grateful Dead did it. As a matter of fact, I forgot to mention that. It was a popular song for them. So if you want to hear them do it, and but there's a bunch of others. Mule Skinner did it. Bill Heath on banjo. You can look them up and listen. Get the words and the melody in your head so that you can follow my tab. Now again, my tab, you can take a screenshot of it and then print it off, and then you can follow, because this will be in YouTube. You can slow it down as much as you want, half speed, 1/4 speed even. And you can follow my video playing it, and you can have the tab in front of you and follow each note, right? And that way it'll get into your noggin. And then when you start practicing, it'll from your noggin down to your fingers. That's how we learn. At least learning from a tab paper, you know, from the sheet music, tab sheet music. So there's nothing else here. There's a little tag lick at the very end. When I end up on the root note, tonic note, and I go, well, I'll just play the last two measures. This part. It's kind of like in G, a tag lick without a slide. in the key of C, this one. No slides, no hammers, just a neat tag lick in C. So that's about it. Have fun with it. It's a good tune. A lot of these, by the way, these arrangements are suitable for jamming anywhere. I mean, they're not advanced arrangements, but they're pretty good intermediate level, even though there's no slides and stuff. But they're absolutely jam ready. So if you learn this and go to a jam and it comes up, it's great. Play it. All right, have fun. Thanks.
Oh, yeah.